back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I am super excited to share with you my first ever Hermes bracelet. You guys, I am so excited about this piece. This has been on my wish list. I've wanted this for such a long time. I really have. I don't really have a ton of luxury jewelry. I think I only have one luxury bracelet, and it's a Louis Vuitton Logomania bracelet that I recently picked up. But other than that, I don't have any luxury fashion jewelry. So this is something, as I stated, I've been wanting for a long time. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to share the piece with you and tell you a little bit about it. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see which Hermes bracelet I picked up, then keep watching. As I stated, this is a bracelet I've wanted for a long time, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So first, you can see the beautiful packaging. I love how the orange and the brown pair nicely together. It's so beautiful. So open it up here. Comes in this beautiful little box. And this is a true unboxing. I have never seen this in person. It comes in the little dust bag, which first, it also has the little care booklet right here. And the bracelet that I picked up is, so excited, it is the Hermes Click H bracelet, and I will insert close-ups in the event it's hard to pick up on camera, but I'm so incredibly excited about this, you guys. You can see it does have a protective covering on, so I will peel that off. Now, I opted for the Click Clack H bracelet. Now, I went back and forth for the longest time. I didn't know whether or not I wanted the Click Clack H bracelet, which obviously is the larger one, or if I wanted the Click H bracelet, which is the smaller, more dainty one. Now, for the longest time, I had that one on my wish list, but then I started thinking to myself, okay, well, that one is very dainty. It's very pretty. I think it looks nice stacked, but for me, I was thinking about my current lifestyle, and my current lifestyle, I've been working from home, so I've been wearing a ton of really casual outfits. I don't really wear anything on my wrist, so I thought, you know what, I think I'm going to wear just one piece. I want to opt for something that is a little bit larger, and I thought this one would go great. Now, there are a ton of colors and a ton of different hardware, so you guys, it was so hard to choose, but I opted for the silver hardware because I do have a platinum ring, and I thought that that'd pair nicely. So I will try it on and kind of show you how to open it and everything. But as I stated, this bracelet comes in so many different colors. There was a beautiful pink that was on my wish list, but I thought, how much use am I really going to get out of it? And I thought with this one, it could be a bracelet that I'm going to wear almost every day. It'll match my workout clothes. And I know you're thinking, you're like, gosh, wearing an Hermes bracelet with workout clothes, but that's what I wanted. I wanted a bracelet that I could wear every day. This comes in two sizes. It comes in a PM size and a GM size, and I opted for the PM size, which is a little bit smaller. So this is a wide bracelet with palladium plated hardware. I love the Hermes bracelet because it's a really classic and chic design. This one right here retails for $690, so it is a little steep. And like I said, I waited so long before I purchased this because I really wanted to make sure I was sure of the color, the hardware, and which bracelet. But keep in mind, this bracelet is a true statement piece. So you can see it's really thick, and the circumference here is about 7.5 inches. So hopefully it will fit on my wrist. I had to play around with it for a little bit. What you want to do to open it, you want to take the bracelet, you want to squeeze it, take the little H, push it that way, and that's how you open it. So let's see how it looks on my wrist. Put it on, and it does fit nicely. It is going to fit kind of more like a watch. I have it closer to my hand, which is how I wanted it. I will be honest, when I picked up my Logomania bracelet from Louis Vuitton, I opted for the larger size, which I'm not sure why I did that, but I opted for the larger size, and that one I found is constantly sliding down my wrist, and I really wanted something that was going to fit pretty snug, and I think it looks really nice. So let's go ahead and let me do like a couple close-ups so you guys can get a really good view of what this bracelet looks like. I think it's so pretty, and I was so excited to share it with you. I really was. I never thought that I would be able to own an Hermes bracelet, and I'm so excited to finally own one. Like I said, I knew that if I invested in a piece like this, that I wanted it to be something that I could wear every day. And I really think that I'm going to get a lot of use out of it, and I think it looks really, really nice. As I stated, it was so hard to choose between the Click Clack H bracelet and the Click H bracelet. I still think that other one is so beautiful too. And as I stated, I think that one looks really nice stacked with other bracelets. But this one, I just wanted to be a little different. I don't really see a lot of the larger size bracelets, so I like to sometimes be different, and I thought that was really pretty. So let me go ahead and let me peel off this protective cover. We'll do it together. This will be very satisfying here. I'm gonna peel it off. And you can see, oh, that's so pretty. I really like it. So tell me what you guys think. Is this the bracelet that you expected me to get, or did you think that I was gonna get the other one? And I would love to know your thoughts if you guys own this bracelet. Do you like it? You know, I have heard a couple people say that the wear and tear on these bracelets, it's not the best, that you do get a lot of nicks. So keep in mind, this video today is not a review of the bracelet. It is just a quick little unboxing, kind of sharing with you a little bit about the bracelet. And what I'm gonna do, like I usually do with my other handbag videos, is as I've had this bracelet for a little bit, I will do a thorough review for you guys. So then that way, if this is something on your wish list, hopefully it will help you decide if it's something you can get. But as of now, I think it's so beautiful. I'm so excited about it. I really am. But I would love to know if you guys own this or you own the other one. Do you like them? What are your thoughts? But I will say I am happy that I opted for the PM size, which is the smaller size. I think if I would have gotten the GM size, it would be moving around a little too much, and this one is nice and snug. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick unboxing video of my new Hermes bracelet. I'm super excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
Wish me the best of luck.